Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Toyota Avalon Limited. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and a six-speed shiftable automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 116,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.